Welcome to the Paoli High School Auditorium Control Room. On this video, we're looking how to isolate the speakers in various areas. Thank you to our technician, Dylan. Dylan, how do we find the lobby speakers and turn those off if the people outside of the auditorium do not want to hear what is going on?
If you'd like to turn the speakers outside off, all of your distributed speakers, such as the lobby speakers, the speakers behind the dressing room, and even the control room speakers, are all direct feed from the mains. So if we want to turn the lobby speakers off, we're going to go over to the amplifier rack. Those are 70-volt speakers and the lobby speakers. If we want to turn those off, we're simply going to turn this amplifier off that feed the lobby, and that's how we go ahead and make those speakers dead, so that it's nice and quiet out in the lobby and we still have sound going on inside the room.
Okay, Dylan, there are also sets of speakers on the stage near the control monitors and in the wings, and there are a set of speakers in the dressing rooms. How do we turn those on and off?
So those are actually shared from the same amplifier. So if you would like to turn those on and off, it's going to be the same power switch. If you turn this amplifier on, you're going to get speakers back in the dressing room and above the stage. And when you turn them off, you're going to not have any sound back there if you want to keep those quiet.
The other area, which you can see right up here, are the speakers in the control room, or we call it in the booth. How do we operate those?
If you'd like to operate the control booth speakers, those are also a direct copy from the main left and right from the board. So as long as we have some signal going to the main left and right, you have an amplifier up here labeled booth Q. You can then turn the signal up or down for each speaker independently and to a desired level. If you don't want to hear them, you can turn them all the way down. And if you would like to hear a little bit of sound out of the speakers up in the booth, you can turn these down to a desired level that is comfortable for you.